Mrs. Vivian Chinelu, popularly known as the TikToker Bigbutfitneylo, recently passed away, and this has caused widespread theories about how she died. Now, when the news came out, I'm not sure exactly the source. The narrative that was spread by blogs was that she died from a cosmetic procedure, a tummy tuck procedure to be exact, and that this was because she got a lot of body shaming comments on her post. She was criticized because of her tummy, and this spiraled into depression, and this caused her to want to undergo the procedure. And when this narrative came out, of course, a lot of influencers and netizens took to social media to speak against body shaming, and advocate against calling out people for what you think they should look like. And while this is not bad, in fact, while this is good, we should speak against body shaming. We need to understand that that report was actually a misinformation as to how she died. Now, the real circumstances surrounding her death is still not verified. Shortly after the news came out, the news of her death, Tattoo Room Nigeria also came out to say, no, she didn't die from the cosmetic procedure. She died from hernia. And then another content creator, Mary Talk Show on Facebook, came out to say that a family member of Mrs. Chinelu reached out to her and said that no, that she died after undergoing a surgery, and this surgery was for a gallbladder removal. So when you really look at all these things, we begin to wonder which is true. Yes, she's dead, but then we cannot say for sure that any reports as regarding to the cause of her death is true. And so this is just a medium to discredit misinformation, the spread of misinformation. The desire for engagements should not supersede our integrity, whether it's your personal integrity or your professional integrity. Please, before you pass any information on social media, make sure it is verified from the proper source before sharing it, because this is causing distress for our family members, who are still grieving and trying to process her death. I pray that the soul of Vivian Chinelu rest in peace, because she was a bubbly personality and always joyful. I remain Esther Salami with the News Chronicle. Please make sure to like this video, share it with your community, and I will see you next time.